I'm out here right now, and if you want to see the happiest country on the planet right at this moment, watch this video. Trust me, watch this video. Look at this. And I've got loads of Japan to put up, but right now I had to upload this one today. So it's on the same day. Give it a watch. Like, subscribe, you know the deal, man. Watch this one. This is amazing. I never thought I'd be here today, but things just happen. Things just happen. So, but look at the people. So watch this and you'll figure out why. So you've seen a lot of people right behind me and a whole lot in front. So I'm guessing if I say I'm in South Korea, you know what this is. So on the 3rd of December, the residing President Yoon, tried to implement martial law here in South Korea, and the people were having none of it. The opposition were having none of it. So today is another protest. Should be peaceful protest. And when they say approximately half of South Korea's population live here in the capital Seoul, it's like at least half of that are on the way. So, but today the protest is based on the impeachment of President Yoon, and a whole lot of people, residents, South Koreans, are here to support it. So I'm here to observe. Told you it's about places, people, culture, and I love it. So let's go check it out. And there you see it, literally just down the road, the National Assembly building, where everybody's going right now. Everybody. You can already see police with the lights on down there, some fire engines, ambulance. You're probably wondering why everyone's walking when the public transport is quite efficient. But if you've been to South Korea, you'll know, or watch anything on South Korea, you get a whole lot of public announcement alerts coming straight to your phone. And yeah, I've had quite a lot come through the phone, which is what actually reminded me of this. I got the police here. But yeah, so I'll put some of those announcements up on the screen right now, and the English translation as well. But yeah, it's just mad. Like, obviously, protests are protests, but when you're in the capital and it's for the president, it's quite a big one. And I did not think I'd be here in South Korea for this. I was in Japan when first announced. This one here with the, I think it's like the K-pop flashlight things. They said they're well expensive as well. Oh, please slide, don't cross. Wow, everyone's backing up now. I think it's a bit too packed up at the front. It's like being in a festival, man. And as one of my mates will know, man, we find a space, we're in there, we're dancing. But obviously not dancing here, unless it turns to K-pop concert kind of thing again. So I did not expect this to be one of the first things I do when I get to South Korea, but I weren't missing it either. I know obviously UK Gov, they're like, nah, don't go to them and blah blah blah, but obviously when I read up about the last one, it was a peaceful protest. So I'm here, man. Can't believe everything you see online or in the media, innit? So I wanted to be here and see myself. He said this means step down.
Impeach the president.
Ah, okay.
Oh, okay. Like step down is like It's unreal. Like this is like, you know.
So managed to come through this crowd and meet a Brit and an English-speaking Korean. So I'm well happy. Well happy. What was your name, sorry? Alex Lauren. Looks like it's gone the way of the people. Everyone's cheering. Literally witnessing history right now. This is mad. I love it. I love it. Look at this. This is one happy South Korea right now. I guess you gotta dance as well, I think, yeah. This is an amazing feeling. Here for history. Here for history. Whoa. Little baby. Everyone's just marching along. I'm literally just stuck here by the bus right now, but I just had a picture taken. Congratulations, man. So I'm out here, I'm filming, and there's quite a lot that are filming me now, so. Woo! Look at this. Congratulations. Smiles. This is smiles that get me. Everyone's so happy. Gotta love it.
세이프 여기 세이프.
Everyone, yeah. Everyone's so happy. So happy.
Arrest him!
Amazing.
Arrest him!
Arrest him, that's what she said. Not me, hopefully not me. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong. Woo. Woo. And as it is slowly getting dark, you're seeing loads of these lights now. Look at this.
윤석열이 체포하라.
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 체포하라. 오케이.
이 새끼 체포하라.
체포해!
대란 오야봉 체포하라.
Okay. Whatever he said, yeah. This, look at this one. Yeah, so many looks like, what on earth are you doing here? Yeah. Apart from myself and the lady we met before, Lauren with Alex, I've not seen any other tourist foreigner. So this is experience. I'm sure there's got to be some around, yeah. But yeah, they look, she got like, what are you doing? Look at these lines right now. This is mad. This is all the people waiting to get back home on the metro. Like the line just keeps going. Look at this. But anyway, that is your lot from here for today. There's loads of South Korea still to come. Quite a few places to visit. But this was an absolute must. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, you got something happening here. Yeah, that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna finish it with the happiest people on the planet right now, in my opinion. Wow, just wow. Welcome to South Korea. Welcome to Seoul.
전 세계, 온 세상에 보여줍시다, 여러분. 어떤 세상을 바라는지 말씀하시고 그것이 일상적으로